Hi, this is Michael Nacella speaking, the second generation of Zing International. And I'm here today to talk to you about Zing CPC, which stands for Cleaning and Polishing Compound. This product is used anytime you burnish the floor. It's a unique formulation in that this one bottle contains enough product to clean and polish 225,000 square feet. It's a unique formulation. It's a cream product that you squeeze on the floor, and using any speed from standard low-speed machines all the way to high speed. But high speed is better for results. We recommend high speed. So the higher the speed, and you put the machine over the top and run the machine over it, and it spreads the product out over the floor, leaving behind a protectant film, which we call Synchro-brite, which is designed to enhance any finish that's on the floor. So it'll bring out the best characteristics of the finish, and it'll leave behind that protective film, which we call Synchro-brite, that will attract dirt, hold any loose dirt before it gets embedded into the finish. So if you were to burnish your floor, hypothetically, every day, each day you would burnish the floor with this CPC, it removes the last coat of the Synchro-brite and replaces it with a new one. Now the coat, when it takes it off, it comes out in a crystal-like form that when you dust mop, you'll pick it up, and you'll see that in the video on the CPC. It actually shows you picking up the dirt crystals. This is a unique formulation. There isn't anything else on the market like it. I would put this up against any product for burnishing. Also, because unlike spray buff and restoration products, there's no polymers in here, so you're not building product up on the floor. You can coat over the top of it, and it also increases the coefficient of friction, which makes the floor safer. So again, you could use this with any Zing finish or any finish that you're currently using. Product is available in 4 pints to a box. You can buy it by the box, or 4 boxes or 16 bottles to a master case. And again, remember that each bottle cleans and polishes 225,000 square feet. So you have any questions you'd like to order, give us a call at 1-800-233-4485 or check us online at zingfloorcare.com. And like all our products, we have these task schedules which we make for each product and each process that shows step-by-step how the products are used and the tools that are used with the products on the back. These can be printed out and given to your employees, and they can also be customized with your name or your customer's name. So again, check us out. Give us a call, 1-800-233-4485 or zingfloorcare.com. Thank you and have a great day. The first step you want to follow before burnishing the floor is to remove the loose dust and dirt. And here we're using a backpack vacuum, which is a very efficient way of removing the loose dust and dirt. The other option, instead of vacuuming, is to dust mop using a microfiber flat mop. Here we're treating it with Zing Dust Control and should be done every day. The dust control will help attract the dirt and hold it to the mop by flocculating, which means it sticks together, and it'll pick up a lot more dust and dirt with a treated dust mop. And our dust control is water-based instead of oil-based. Next, we're going to measure the Zing CPC, which stands for Cleaning and Polishing Compound. A 3-inch ribbon, roughly the length of your index finger, will cover 1,000 square feet under a high-speed burnisher. Here we're using a 1500 electric burnisher with a medium-grade hair pad. We run the machine over the product and then walk as fast as you normally would up and down like you're cutting a lawn. And what you're doing is you're leaving behind a protective film, which is called Synchro-brite, which is designed to protect the finish that's on the floor and also to trap dirt into that protective film so that it doesn't get into the finish. So each time you burnish, this is what happens on the floor, and you'll see the crystals that are created when you're finished, after you're done finished dust mopping. Here we're going to dust mop now, and we're going to pick up the dirt crystals, which is the last coat of the CPC that was put down and any dirt that was trapped in it. So each time you burnish and dust mop, you're going to get these crystals, which is the old coat of CPC that Synchro-brite protection and any dirt that's trapped in it. If you use a dust mop, the best way to clean it is to take a center of a hair pad or cut a hair pad, an old used hair pad, and then just sweep out the mop. It'll open up the strands and it'll be ready for use the next time. Here's Mark treating his dust mop with Zing Dust Control, and remember that each time you use the Zing Dust Control, it helps attract the dirt to the mop, and what it does is it fluctuates the dirt, which means it helps it stick together, and then it sticks to the mop. And it's amazing how much dust and dirt you'll pick up using the dust control. And again, our dust control is a water-based product compared to most rental mops use oil-based treatments for the most part. And this you should use each day you dust mop, you should treat the mop. Here Mark is following Zing Floor Care Technique number 7, breaking in a new floor pad. He's using this technique on the Americo Blue Blend burnish pad, which we have found to be a phenomenal pad for not only burnishing, but also for scrubbing the floor with an automatic scrubber using the Zing cleanup. So this process, just that stepping on the pad, just makes it easier to put a brand new pad on the machine. Here Mark's measuring a 3-inch ribbon of Zing CPC cleaning and polishing compound, which is roughly the length of his index finger, on the floor. Then using a high-speed burnisher with the Americo Blue Blend burnish pad that he broke in before, he's burnishing the floor with the CPC. And again, you move the machine like you would like you're cutting a lawn. Each time you apply the CPC, you're putting down a coat of the protection, that Synchro-brite protection, which protects the finish. It traps any loose dirt into that protection before it gets into the finish, and will also enhance the finish and bring out the best shine in the finish. 1 pint bottle of CPC will cover 225,000 square feet. It'll make the floor safer, and it'll really enhance the finish. Here Mark is dust mopping again after he's finished burnishing to pick up the dried dirt crystals that were removed when he burnished. Because remember, each time you apply the CPC, you remove the last coat, any dirt that's trapped in that coat of Synchro-brite protection. So it's important to dust mop when you're finished. Remember, to clean the floor pads out, you use your Zing cleanup, which is used for cleaning the floor, and you use that in a spray bottle. We have it measured 4 ounces in a quart bottle filled 3/4 with water, and we spray the pad down. Let it soak, let it soak a minute, and then go back, take a center of the pad, and just scrub over it. And you'll be amazed at how the pad will come out like new again. I mean, other than the fact, once you use it more and more, it'll start, showing wear, but it's going to be completely clean so that you can reuse it over and over. Remember to clean out the dust mop using a hairbrush. It'll open up the strands and it'll be ready to use again the next day.